Welcome to a new tutorial for an easy, casual, everyday bag that can be finished in just 2 hours and is perfect for beginners. This time I used a different yarn and chose colors that are more suitable for winter. I used thick t-shirt yarn and a 9mm crochet hook. The thickness of the yarn when opened is approximately 2.5 centimeters. I will add links in the description box so you can order similar yarns, along with a discount code for your first order. We will start the bag with 33 chains. If the yarn you are using is thinner, you can increase the number of chains by even numbers to suit a medium-sized bag. In the 5th chain, make 1 double crochet. After that, make 1 chain and skip 1 stitch. Make another double crochet, then 1 chain and skip 1 stitch. Continue this way until the end of the row. In the last chain, make 3 double crochet stitches with 1 chain between each one. Make 1 chain and continue the same steps until the end of the row. In the last stitch, make 1 double crochet and 1 chain. Close the row with a slip stitch in the 3rd chain. Now we have finished the base. Chain 4, and on top of the next double crochet, make 1 double crochet and 1 chain. Make 1 double crochet on top of every double crochet with 1 chain between each one. Continue until the end of the row without any increases. Once you reach the 4 chains we made at the beginning of the row, close the row with a slip stitch in the 3rd chain. Chain 4 and start a new row, repeating the same steps. Repeat until you have 10 rows or more. Cut the yarn and close the row in this way. Hide the excess yarn. Locate the exact middle stitch and start a new row to the left of it. Mark the end of the row to the right of the middle stitch on the other side. Start with 2 chains, then make 1 double crochet on top of the next double crochet. Make 1 chain and 1 double crochet and continue until the end of the row. At the end, make 2 double crochet together. Chain 2 for the second row and make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Then make 1 chain and 1 double crochet until the end of the row. At the end of the row, make 2 double crochet together. Chain 2 for the beginning of the third row and make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Continue working upwards until you have 6 rows. If you started with a different number of chains, you must continue working upwards until the row ends with 5 stitches. Now, chain 4, make 1 double crochet in the middle, then 1 chain and 1 double crochet. Repeat the same. Chain 4, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and 1 double crochet. Keep working upwards like this until you reach the desired length for the handle. In this bag, I work 6 rows. In the black bag, I work 7 rows, and you can do more. Cut the yarn, leaving a slightly long tail. Repeat all the same steps on the other side of the bag. And we start sewing the 2 ends together using the long tail of yarn we left. You can do it this way, or you can use a slip stitch. And with that, the bag is finished. If you liked this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe, and wait for the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!